One day you open your Instagram or YouTube and saw a person who was earning money from their laptop, and they are paying their college fees, their rent, and they are traveling everywhere, they are buying whatever they want. And you had a thought that I also want to earn money online and live a financially stable life. Then you started searching on YouTube or Google how to make money online, and you found dozens of ways to earn, and your head is full of different ideas. But the problem comes when you needed to implement those ideas. You got stuck when it was time to take action. I know why this happened because I was also in the same place back then. I searched a lot, I had many ideas, but when it was time to take action, I got stuck. It's because watching videos feel productive. It creates an illusion in your mind that you are doing the real work, like watching videos, making notes. These all feel like real work and progress, and you keep repeating this process. But after some time, you realize that you did not even touch the real work, which was implementing those ideas. So, why do we get stuck? And most importantly, how can we come out of this trap? And why I am telling you this, because I was also in the same trap back then. And I have broke it now. I am implementing my ideas. I am doing my work. That's why I am here helping you to do the same and get your result as fast as possible. There are three main reasons which cause the delay. And I'm going to explain it one by one. The first reason is information overload. The reason you haven't started anything yet is not because you lack ideas. It's because you have too many ideas in your head. One video tells you to start a freelancing, and another says digital product is good, but the other says no, a faceless YouTube channel makes a lot of money. Your head is full of 12 different ways on how to earn money online, and this creates so much doubt that you get confused or scared that what if I pick something wrong? What if it does not work out for me? And this freezes you from taking decision. Imagine you need a new phone and you start looking online. One video says it is good for its camera, another says it is good for the gaming purposes. And you spend 3 weeks on searching for a good phone, watching reviews, comparing its processor, comparing its price. At the end, you still don't have a new phone because you are scared of taking a wrong choice. Making money online is exactly the same. You don't need the best business model or the best side hustle to start with. You can just pick one side hustle which you can actually do. Most people stay broke for years because they were busy in comparing 10 different side hustles instead of just picking one and taking action on it. I'm not saying researching is bad or you should not spend time on learning about business model. I also love researching things. But what I am saying is that don't get stuck in analyzing things too much and start implementing things you learn. But I know what you're thinking. What if I pick an idea on which I am not good at it? Or what if I don't have proper skill to start it? That's our second reason of delay, which is the perfect start lie. I'm sure you are facing this problem right now. You are waiting to feel ready or expert enough before you even start. You want all the perfect skill, money, everything before you even take your first step in that business model or side hustle. But let me give you an example. If you buy a notebook and you're so afraid of making a mistake or having a messy handwriting that you never even start writing on its first page, you keep waiting to make your handwriting perfect before you even write on it. And at the end, your notebook stays empty and useless in your shelf. If you're waiting to start a side hustle when you get all the skills and everything, you can never actually start it. And a lot of you may be thinking that I don't have enough resources to start, like money, expensive course, or laptop, or support, or anything else. But the truth is, you don't need everything at once when you are just starting. Believe me, you don't need to be an expert to start. You need to start to become an expert. If you are waiting to have everything before you start, you are just giving yourself an excuse to stay stuck. You will never feel 100% ready. The ready feeling only comes after you start anything. And then, if you have started anything, you are putting your effort and still not seeing any results. Here comes the third reason, which is the ghost phase. This is the hardest part. You finally picked the idea. You are not waiting to feel ready. You have been working consistently for weeks and months, and still you are seeing no money, no progress, no result at all. And then you start questioning yourself that am I doing something wrong? Is this even working out for me? And maybe I am not good enough to do it. And let me tell you, you are not alone in this feeling. Everyone who start making money online has already been through this journey. They also worked, they did the hard work, they stay consistent, but still for weeks and months they had no results. You are not doing anything wrong. You are just expecting results too fast. Majority of people on internet are just misguiding you. They are promising overnight success, which is not possible. It's like planting a seed, which is your idea, and you water it every day. That's your effort. And for first few weeks, you will not see any plant, which is you will not see any result when you are just starting out. You might think nothing is growing, but underground, the roots are spreading. While you keep putting your efforts, your knowledge is growing, your skill is developing, your brain is learning how to handle the work practically. If you stop watering it right now, which is if you stop putting your efforts, just because you don't see any leaf on it, the plant will die before it even have chance to grow. Most people quit right here when the things was just to start moving. They think they are failing, but in the reality, they are growing from the surface level. You have to keep putting your effort even if you don't see results. That's how starting looks like. This is how it's looked like when you are just starting to make money online. The people you are seeing in the videos, those which are earning from their laptop and traveling, they were not lucky. They did not find any secret video or secret hack of making money online. The only difference is that they stopped being consumer and started being the producer. They realized that 1 hour of messy practical work is worth more than 100 hours of perfect research. Just keep putting your effort. Pick that idea which has been sitting in your head from so long and just start. And remember, you cannot fail. Every mistake you make is just a lesson that will make you better for tomorrow. I know it's hard to keep putting the effort and still not seeing any results. But in reality, things take time. Results are not going to show up overnight. Be consistent for just few months and you will be so grateful of not quitting today. The version of you that exists 6 months from now will thank you for not quitting today. If this helped you even a little, subscribe to the channel because I will keep bringing a lot of advice and experience of mine which will help you a lot. And also share your experience in the comment section. I would love to hear. See you.